Informal and formal sentences. Can you help me?
Could you please assist me?
Send this now.
Please forward this at your earliest convenience.
Wait a sec.
Kindly allow me a moment.
Give me time.
I would appreciate additional time.
Check this.
Could you please review this?
Call me.
Please contact me at your convenience.
Explain this.
Would you mind clarifying this?
Do it again.
Could you please repeat this?
Fix this.
Please resolve this issue.
Start now.
Shall we proceed?
Help me out.
I would like to request assistance.
Tell me later.
We can discuss this at a later time.
Send it today.
I would appreciate receiving this today.
Let me know.
Kindly keep me informed.
Ask her.
Kindly consult her regarding this.